It is 95 degrees today. It is so hot and humid. This is how I survive this kind of weather despite walking 6 miles a day. Electrolyte packets. I was sent these to review, but I love them. You've got 4 flavors: raspberry, strawberry, lemon, and watermelon. Each one features 5 essential vitamins, 6 key electrolytes, and no sugar. There are 16 sticks in this pack, 4 of each flavor. The directions say for an adult, mix 1 stick with 16 ounces of water and drink once daily as a dietary supplement. And it's super easy. You could throw it in your bag. You don't need scissors or a spoon or anything because it's just 1 pack. You rip it open. It couldn't be easier to have it at home or on the go. Pack it with you, take it on vacations. So good, refreshing, delicious. It doesn't taste like an artificial taste. It's not overly sweetened. It's just sweet enough. Absolutely delicious, honestly. 1 stick contains 10 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 0 sugars, 3 grams of sugar alcohol, 96 milligrams of vitamin C, 10 milligrams niacin, 2.45 milligrams vitamin B6, 7 micrograms of vitamin B12, 12 milligrams pantothenic acid, 105 milligrams of calcium, 21 milligrams magnesium, 2.52 milligrams of zinc, 266 milligrams of chloride, 380 milligrams of sodium, 280 milligrams of potassium. The packaging says non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, keto-friendly, dairy-free, soy-free. Manufactured in a CGMP facility. I absolutely love this stuff. I keep it around for myself when I have a super sweaty, athletic, or sun-filled day. My kids take it when they have a sports game or if they're sick even. Talk to a healthcare provider if you're concerned about giving this to your kids or yourself, but personally, I love it.